Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn more about the double top, how to trade and what could be the stop loss and target. In this case I have selected Adani Enterprises daily time frame. Okay, so double top or double bottom, whatever it may be, it could form in any time frames like 15 minutes, 5 minutes and monthly, daily. For time being I have chosen daily time frame. So I just started from the left side. I'm just marking recent a strong resistance level. If we observe, this is the strongest resistance level, right? If we observe, see on September 2024, 30th September, it is the level when market approached this level, it's getting rejected in this candle. Means what it represents exactly? Sort of sellers are there when market approaching this level 3210 roughly, sellers are existed. What happened again? It's taken time and again it's came back to bombard this level. Again what happened in this candle? When market breached this level, sort of volatility candle. Again if we see alone this candle till this point, it is like a rejection candle. Again it is telling us sort of sellers are there. If we keep observing what happened, two times attempted to break out this resistance level, but it couldn't break this level. After that it started moving downside and we have the neckline over here. Definitely this can be the strongest support. In this case what happened? Market breached this level and sort of bounce happened. Means who taken the short in this downside rally, they started covering. It is clear. How we came to know that one? See, if we convert the 5 minutes, 15 minutes or 1 hour, we could see some sort of a strong bounce from this level. Okay, anyhow what happened on 21st October? No more support. Okay, it is clear buyer's strength and it started breaking this support level. Now then this is said to be a classic double top pattern. Here is the top, here is the top, two times it's get rejected same level approximately. Then this is said to be double top, but one condition should be there. When breakout happened to the downside from this neckline, then only we will call it as a classic double top pattern. Till then it is a kind of resistance zone. Once its breakout happened downside, then it is confirmed that it is a double top. Now what we can do, we can take the entry after this candle close, or sometimes if we convert this daily time frame into 15 minutes or 1 hour time frame, if we see the sort of selling pressure in lower time frames based on the candlesticks also, we could take the short entry. Anyhow, let's assume we have taken the entry after this candle, but based on this classic double top, where could be our target? The target would be this depth. Okay, so we need to calculate the target from the breakout zone, not the candle close. Okay, that is different. We should calculate from this breakout level. So the target is downside 2746. Okay, so this is the way to calculate the target, but generally people keep the recent swing as a stop loss. Based on the textbooks, this is the stop loss. Okay, who are going to bear this much stop loss? And for retailers it's been very difficult to see to get 1:1 this much risk. That's the reason try to keep the stop loss at reasonable levels. Okay, see this is a good candle. We can keep the stop loss initially at these levels because it's a decent risk reward profile. Okay, once we are into profit, we can trail our stop loss to next swing high, whatever it may be. In this case it's given the target. So friends, let me explain another very tough example. In this case, we are able to see the resistance level. Definitely, why it is a resistance? When market approaches this level, sellers activated and it's getting rejected. It is clearly telling sort of sellers are there. After that, what happened? Market breached this low. Now this low is said to be a neckline. And what happened? Again market bounced to this point, approximately previously resistance level. Now friends, this is a classic double top pattern based on the rejections. But when to take an entry? See here, this can act as a support level. When market approached this level multiple times, it's taking the support, and finally a support got weakened, a breakdown happened in this candle. After this candle only we will come to know, okay, that support got broken, so there is sort of selling pressure. Okay, after this candle we would like to take an entry, definitely based on this pattern. This is our target. It beautifully given the target point, there is no doubt about it, 2750. But the question is, after we have taken the short entry, it's taken a huge, actually it's came to 1.7% downside, but it's taken a huge bounce, approximately 8%. So friends, in this case definitely we cannot take the short in equity. Either we need to go with short futures or options, right? We have two options. So I advise you people to go, if we are taking with 2 lots or more lots, try to execute when breakdown happened 50% and rest add in the pullback. So in this case, what could be the area to take short? I'm just trying to draw the pullback, Fibonacci pullback levels. Okay, so Fibonacci I am drawing. See, this is the swing low point. Let me show where is the swing high and where is the swing low. This is the swing high point. I just started dragging from that level to this level. This is the swing low. So we are able to see 78.6 retracement level. Definitely people will be there. Okay, it is clearly telling that some sort of selling pressure existed at 78.6 level. How we can get the conclusion? Okay, see, if we observe the candlesticks at this level, when stock is trying to breach these levels, immediately sellers getting activated. It is price action. Okay, so if we take the short here 50%, another 50% at important resistance levels, I mean Fibonacci levels we can add. So our average will be very decent price. We will get a good risk reward. Whenever you are trying to give the targets, try to go to the structure. Okay, this is the important structure. Definitely you try to book some profits over here. Yeah, so this is a simple structural based approach. Hope video informative. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Stay tuned. Dhanyavad.